Hi buddies, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make dirt cups. Don't worry, they're not made with real dirt. They're actually just chocolate pudding cups made to look like dirt. These are such an easy treat to make and they're so much fun. Remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe in the kitchen. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you to help out. Well, let's get started. Here I have a packet of instant chocolate pudding mix. This is a 5.9 ounce package that you can find in your local grocery store. I'm gonna prepare it according to the directions on the box, which say to mix this packet with 3 cups of cold milk. Now I'm gonna take my whisk and I'm gonna mix it up for a minute or two until the pudding comes together. At first it might seem like your pudding is too runny, but don't worry, in just a minute it will start to thicken up. Keep stirring until you see most of the little lumps and bumps have disappeared. This looks terrific! The next step is to get out 6 small bowls or cups. Now I have a ½ cup measuring cup here, and I'm gonna scoop about ½ cup of pudding into each of these little bowls. Perfect! Now we've got 6 little servings of pudding. Now what I'm gonna do is take some crushed up Oreos. I used a food processor to grind up 12 Oreos. If you don't have a food processor, you can do it by hand too. Just put it in a zip top bag and bang it on the countertop with a rolling pin until it gets nice and crushed up. That can be really fun too. I'm gonna take a spoon and spread this out equally between my pudding cups. Now before I finish using up all my Oreos, I'm gonna take some gummy worms and hide those into the dirt cups for the finishing touch. I have some sour kind and some regular kind here. You can use whichever type of gummy worms you prefer. So take a worm and just kind of wiggle it down into the dirt so that it gets submerged in the pudding, but I like to have mine with their little heads poking out just a little bit so you can see the worm that's hiding inside. I'll do the same thing again here. Just stick it in and leave its little head poking out. Hello, little worm. I'm gonna put some sour worms in this pudding cup. I'll put a few more sour worms in some of these. Awesome! Let's finish it up with the last of these Oreo cookie crumbs. I'll just tuck it around the worms to make them nice and cozy in their little bowls of dirt. Doesn't this look so totally cool? I love it! Let's give it a taste. Extra good! The chocolate pudding and Oreo is the best combination. I'm gonna have it with a gummy worm this time. The gummy worm adds a nice little punch of fruitiness. Well, I think that was just about the best cup of dirt that I've ever eaten. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had a ton of fun making these dirt cups, and I hope you'll give it a try at home. I'll see you again soon, and happy